This tutorial review will show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing problem. If you're having trouble with your Facebook Music Story not showing or not working, you can easily fix the problem yourself. Method 1. Update Facebook to latest version. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. And if you see any update available here, then have to update your Facebook app and relaunch your Facebook and hope your problem will fix now. Method 2. Clear data and cache. The other way to resolve the Facebook Music Story not working is to clear your data and browser cache. To clear the data and cache issues, follow these steps. Launch the Settings app on your smartphone. Navigate down on the screen and click on the Manage Apps option. Next, click Facebook from the list of apps displayed. You will see different options. Proceed to tap on the Force Stop button. Then tap on the Clear Data and Cache option. Proceed to log back to your Facebook account. Repeat the same steps to add music to your story post. Hopefully, the second method should fix your Facebook Music Story problem. Method 3. Check your internet connectivity. The internet is one of the most important tools in our everyday lives. It plays a huge role in almost everything we do. And when it's down, it can have a devastating effect on your business and what you can access online. Check your internet connection, and if you find yourself experiencing slow speeds, try to fix it by changing it or moving to another location that has better connectivity. This can help you fix Facebook Music Story not working or showing problem. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Facebook app and reinstall it. Once you reinstalled it, re-log in into your Facebook account and check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.